Welcome with our new lesson 5.1 Fundamental Operations. In this lesson we have two objectives. The first one is to apply rules of order of operations to evaluate expressions with numbers. The second one is to evaluate algebraic expressions when the values of the letters are given. Starting with our lesson, I want to ask you a question. 5 plus 3 times 2. Some of you will say that the answer here is 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Others may say that 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So, which answer is the correct one? Well, 11 is the correct one, and this is wrong. We will see why. Look to this second expression. 4 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 1. What do you think the answer would be here? You may say 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. And this answer is wrong. The correct one is to divide 6 by 2 first. So it is 3, and then you can add 4 plus 3, which is 7, minus 1, and this will give you 6 as a correct answer. Why did we do so? We have something in mathematics called order of operations. And order of operations says that you first must perform all operations inside parentheses. So the priority first is for parentheses. Perform all operations inside them. Second order is to evaluate all powers, if any. So the second priority is for powers or exponents. Third priority is to perform any multiplications or divisions in order from left to right. So the third priority is for multiplication and division. And if the statement or the expression contains multiplication and division only, you do it from left to right. The last order or the last priority here is to do any addition or subtraction in order from left to right. So the last order here is for addition and subtraction. This what we call order of operations. Let us apply this on some examples. Example 1, evaluate 4 minus 9 multiplied by 6 plus 3 inside parentheses divided by negative 3. To evaluate this expression, we should first do what inside the parentheses. So 4 minus 9, and what is inside parentheses can be written as 9. So we can write here 9. It is multiplied by 9, and then complete our expression, which is divided by negative 3. Now we have subtraction, multiplication, division operations. The priority is for multiplication and division before subtracting. So we will write 4 as it is, and this is the subtraction sign. So let us do multiplication and division from left to right. So 9 times 9, this gives us 81. 81, if we divide it by -3, this will give us -27. So we have done all of these to have this answer here. Now we can do the final operation, subtracting 4 minus -27, and this gives us +31. Let us do now another example. -6 plus 5 times -2 to power 2 times -9 minus 7 multiplied by 3 minus 5 all cubed. First, we will do what inside parentheses. So it will be -6 plus 5 times -2 squared times -9 minus 7 multiplied by -2 cubed. Second step is to find the powers. So it is -6 plus 5 times 4 times -9 minus 7 times -8. Next step is to do the operations, but the priority here for multiplication before addition. So it will be -6 plus 5 times 4 times -9, which is -180, minus 7 times -8, which is -56. Now, finally, we will do addition and subtraction from the left to the right. So, -6 plus -180, this is -186, plus 56, this will give us -130. Now let us see different examples. We will apply the order of operations on them, but there is a step before doing that, because in these examples it will be given to you an algebraic expression to evaluate, but we will give you the values of the letters inside the expression. Example, evaluate x squared minus y plus 5 over 2x minus 2. If it is given that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. So to evaluate this algebraic expression, you should substitute the values of x and y inside the algebraic expression. So we write it again. Instead of writing x, I'll put the value of x and then complete writing the expression. Substitute the value of y plus 5 over 2 times the value of x minus 2. Let us do this one, but when you do it, you should apply the order of operations. So first, you should find the value for the numerator. So we will do first the powers here. Since we don't have parentheses, there is operations inside them. It will be 16 minus 3 plus 5 over 2 times 4 minus 2 equals the priority for multiplying. So we will multiply 2 times 4 down in the denominator. So we have 8 minus 2. We can do the numerator now. 16 minus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 18. and this is equal to 18 over 6, which is equal to 3. So to evaluate any algebraic expression, just replace the letters with given numbers, then use order of operations to evaluate it. Let us do another example. Evaluate AB over 3C plus C. If it is given to you that A is equal to 6, B is equal to 10, and C is equal to -5. So, to evaluate that, we will substitute the values of A, B, and C. So it will be 6 times 10 over 3 times -5. All of this added to -5. We will do the operations in the numerator. So we will have 60. In the denominator, we have -15. All of this plus -5. If we divide 60 by -15, we would have -4. Then we add -5, which results to -9. By this, we reach the end of our lesson. Thank you.